Hello, guys. This video will show you how to add or delete a variant. First, let's learn how to add a variant. From your Wix dashboard, hover Store Products and click Products. Click on the product for which you want to add variants. You will be redirected to the Wix product details page. Scroll to the product options part and click the edit icon on an option bar card. In the pop-up, enter the option value of the new variant you want to add. Click Apply. Click Edit to edit the variant information and manage variants. Click Apply. Click Save. Now, let's learn how to delete a variant. Still on the Products page in your Wix dashboard, click on the product for which you want to delete variants. You will be redirected to the Wix product details page. Scroll to the product options part and click the edit icon on an option bar card. In the pop-up, click the delete icon on the option value that you want to remove. Click Apply. Click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!